Bassheads, what's good? Welcome to another video. Listen, there will be timestamps below this video, so please use those. Here it is. A few years ago, I made a video talking about the A section of the Barney Miller theme. You Gen Xers, you know exactly what I'm talking about, how cold that bass line is. But check it. In that video, I was talking about how to use that as a practice tool. And so I know that, you know, some comments, people loved it. Some people were like, it's a little too advanced. The language is too advanced. Listen, this one may be advanced as well. There may be some advanced language, but what I want you to do is understand that you can rewind this video. There's some terminologies you don't need to memorize right off the bat. And you certainly don't need to memorize that in order to play this. So let me play the line slowly in the open position or in first position where I think most people play this. Most of the tutorials I've seen online, people will play this like this. Okay, so that's cool. Now, if you're in this position, let's take this while we're in first position and move that to B flat. Watch this. Now I'm going to do something. I'm going to change the fingering of the second part of that idea. Okay? Now I'm going to shift my hand. So what's happening there is I'm getting another fingering, another layer of the neck that may not have been opened before. Okay? So I started this in F. Let's take it an octave higher, and I'm going to use a closed fingering. What I mean by closed fingering is that there are no open strings. So here's F dominant 7. So don't worry about it. Don't trip on that. So now what I can do is I can take this closed fingering and move it around, right? What I did in the other video was I moved it around the cycle of fourths. Again, there's a lot of information on the web about what the cycle of fourths is. You don't need that in order to play it. But let's say I use the second finger, C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B, E, A, D, G, back to C, or C here. So with that idea, I'll take this and I'll go. And so on, following that root movement. Now, why would I do that? Is because I think if you have a line, you know, a lot of people ask, well, what do I do with these scales and these arpeggios? What do I do with them? Well, one of the best ways, in my opinion, is if you learn a line and then you reverse engineer it and then you start seeing, oh, dang, that's what that is, right? That's all that is this scale or this arpeggio, right? Also, that line right there, could that end up being something that you put into a groove of your own, right? Right? You can take that line, you borrow that line, and it becomes a bit of your vocabulary. You see what I'm saying? So again, I hope that this video is an improvement on the other video. Let me know in the comments if it is or if it isn't. If there's a video that you've seen of mine that I did a long time ago that you think could be better, let me know. I'm happy to do those again, right? Or some better version of those videos. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it if you feel like it's share worthy. If you want to support the channel, you can do that by super thanks. Definitely get some dope merch in the tray below this video. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Two fingers.